What a trooper. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, Mom.
I think your father is in trouble.
If you haven't noticed, Mom, we're not doing so hot either.
I'm going to look for him, and that means you're in charge until I get back, Violet.
What?
You heard her.
Put these on. Your identity is your most valuable possession. Protect it. And if anything goes wrong, use your powers.
But you said never to
I know what I said! Remember the bad guys on those shows you used to watch on Saturday mornings? Well, these guys are not like those guys. They won't exercise restraint because you're children. They will kill you if they get the chance. Do not give them that chance.
Mom.
Vi, I'm counting on you.
There's something
I'm counting on you. Be strong. Dash, if anything goes wrong, I want you to run as fast as you can.
As fast as I can?
As fast as you can. Stay hidden. Keep each other safe. I'll be back by morning.
Identification, please.
Hey! Hey, Violet, come here, look!
What?
Look at us! There, that one.
Voice key incorrect.
Voice key.
Voice key incorrect.
Wait a second.
What are we doing? Where are we going? Away from here!